Hi, Sydney.
Hello.
What are you making today?
Make your quarantine Easter cookies. Chloe.
All right. All right. So show me what are your ingredients?
Where we have 1 egg mix. We have 2 sticks of butter that's soft. We have, I think it's 1 tablespoon of milk.
How much baking powder is that, Sydney?
It's a half teaspoon and a quarter teaspoon. And then we also have some confectionate sugar for when we're done mixing everything together to make it easier to make the shapes of the cookie.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get started. So put that away. What else you gonna put in?
I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt, not pinch. You know,
How much was it?
it was like a half teaspoon
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
salt.
All the dry ingredients.
Just a little pinch.
Okay. All right. That's good.
And then we need to add our milk. And then we need to add our 1 egg.
No. Bake this.
We
Put
need to
that. And you're
add
gonna squeeze
2
it up.
sticks of butter.
Okay.
Uno. Dos. Then we're gonna mix it together.
By hand. Yeah.
My hands are clean.
It's called I know, you wash it 6 times. It's called a rubbing method. So you're gonna squeeze everything, the butter, into the flour till it look like what?
This is my favorite
Like
part.
fine breadcrumbs. That's what it's gonna look like.
And then when you mix it together, it's supposed to be a cookie.
Is it soft enough? Are the butter soft now? Okay. So you keep doing that until it forms a kind of a dough. Then you're gonna add.
We'll be back in a few
We just
Because
added
she
a
said we
little
just-
cinnamon and 1 touch of vanilla because that was omitted from the recipe. And we're West Indian, we're Jamaican, we need some flavor in these cookies, okay?
Team America.
Yeah. But
I'm
Sydney
Team
said no,
America.
but we say yes. So
I am Team America.
majority wins. All right, Sydney. All right, get your eggs in now.
You would have won it.
Put a little egg and see how far, because you might not even need all that egg. So stir it up. You need a little more, Sydney. You're gonna need a little more, but it's almost a dough already because of the butter
Yeah, it's already getting
and the
sticky.
milk. Okay, don't press it down. All right.
So we're just getting
You ready to roll or is it too soft?
ready to roll.
Okay.
Gonna roll.
Ready to rumble. Don't squeeze too hard, just roll.
I know.
Yeah,
Because sometimes it might fall apart.
yeah. Don't squeeze it so hard, it's too hard. Take your time. Yeah. Before you know it, you can lift it up. Get this part,
I know, I was about to turn it.
Get this. You see? Has all the sugar,
Just
all that
smush
sugar.
it.
Alright, try cut. What do you think? Too thick?
Yeah.
Yeah, roll it a little bit more.
I didn't even go this way yet, so perfect opportunity. For the cutters that I have a star. This is like an egg, like an Easter egg. This is just a heart, just like a flower, like to break. Spring is
You
here.
know you're gonna cut out?
We're gonna cut out all the cookies. I'm gonna start with the egg first. And then
Over there. Get the pan.
I'm just gonna have to hold it here. And then we can put it on top.
Okay.
Crunchy.
Cutting cookies. That's a nice flower. And you can decorate it
Yep.
with the different shapes. Okay. Alright. Do another one. Do another one with that.
Okay.
Yeah, put
I
some-
like these ones more, anyways.
Yeah, you're gonna have more ones. Can you get more? Try one down there. Mine is stick.
I could probably
yeah.
get like 2 more in.
Yeah, try again. Try some more.
Yeah, more than me.
Say that again.
We got curry goat, we got cookies, we got cake. What's more than this? This is like a Thanksgiving.
Easter. It's not Thanksgiving, it's Easter. So just remember it's Easter.
It's Easter. It's like Christmas all over again. Chloe, we're recording a video.
Go ahead.
So today is the best day ever because we have curry goat, cookies, and we have cake, and it's Easter Sunday. And I'm gonna have cake and cookies right after.
Because we're making a lemon cake.
Yes,
Mommy loves the
lemon cake. Oh my gosh, that's so good too.
All right. So now
It's
you're going to
heaven
cut again.
on earth.
Now you're going to cut again, okay?
Yeah.
It's quarantine Sunday.
Quarantine cookies.
Quarantine Easter Sunday.
First Easter. Well, we don't go anywhere in Easter anyways.
Quarantine, but you'd have gotten a basket on this year, but you guys didn't.
Yeah,
get
they
a
didn't really have them. Thanks a lot to the people who panic by talking to you. I'm kidding. I'm not talking to you. Heart for the subscribers. We heart you. Wrong side.
All right, today put it there. You can roll some little things and put there.
Yeah,
Just
I'm gonna
pop
make a
them.
little mini.
Little poppers. You're gonna just
Yeah.
cookie poppers.
Yes. So when it's cooked, we don't have to so that we don't have to wait for them to be
Oh
frosted.
man, what is that?
It's a little
Roll
mini
some,
cookie.
make some little balls too.
So that when it's cooked, we don't have to wait for it to be frosted. We can just eat them, and it wouldn't be a problem. Let's pop them.
You get to taste right there. You flattening it?
Yeah, you put it in the bowl and
Oh,
then
they
you
were
flat.
just gonna make some little balls.
Oh, I could make balls then.
All right, Sydney. Make a ball and let me get it. Roll it. Roll like, don't hard, not hard. All right, let me see. All right, do that one. Put that one somewhere. Okay.